Salamat po, Mr.
Kindly
Chair.
wrap up, Congressman Abante.
Nagbago ang pananaw ninyo sa Quadcom. Sapagkat nung sumulat si Atty. Degra sa amin na hindi kayo makaka-attend sapagkat wala kayong tiwala sa Quadcom, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, kayo ay nagpunta ngayon sapagkat may tiwala na po kayo sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Sabi kasi ni ano sir na ipakontempt ako. So
Are you done, Congressman Abante?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat din po.
ikaw yan sir nagsabi na we will cite him in contempt. Contempt sir, priso yan eh.
Mr. Chairman,
So the next to interpolate, yes, Congressman Paduano.
the former president is not yet recognized in telling this committee and me to cite you in contempt. I never cited you in contempt. But believe you me, I will not hesitate to cite it in contempt if you violate these proceedings. The internal rules, I will invoke Section 11, and your former congressman, and you know that. I never cited you in contempt. Mr. President, well, in fact, I just raised a point of order.
Kaya sir, takot ako sa iyo.
Hindi.
Thank you.
Hindi ka dapat matakot for as long as you follow the rules of this
ako, sir.
committee and you should respect the members of this committee.
I will
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
behave sir because of you.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The next to interpolate is Congresswoman Franz Castro. You have 10 minutes.